Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I have given last 3 month current affairs for very importance for your upcoming all competitive exam. For the PDF, join the channel and check describe below. Like, comment and subscribe. Then without wasting your time, let's start. Question 1. Who assumed charge as India's third Chief of Defence Staff CDS in 2026? Option A General Manoj Pandey. Option B Lieutenant General NS Raja Subramani. Lieutenant General Upendra Trivedi. Option D General Anil Chauhan. Correct answer Lieutenant General NS Raja Subramani, who became the incoming Chief of Naval Staff in 2026. Option A Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Option B Vice Admiral Dinesh Tripathi. Option C Vice Admiral Sanjay Mohindru. Option D Vice Admiral Torun Shopti. Correct answer Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Which organization received the 2026 AIAA Good Award Astronautics Awards? Option A DRDO. Option B ISRO. Option C NASA. Option D ESA. Correct answer ISRO. Chandrayaan 3 achieved a historic landing near which region? Option A lunar equator. Option B lunar north pole. Option C lunar south pole. Option D far side of the moon. Correct answer lunar south pole. How many Padma Awards were approved for 2026? Option A 101. Option B 111. Option C 121. Option D. How many Padma Award were approved for 2026? Option A 101. Option B 111. Option C 121. Option D 131. Correct answer 131. How many Padma Vibhushan Awards were included in the 2026 Padma Awards? Correct answer 5. Who conferred the Padma Award 2026 at Rashtrapati Bhavan? Option A PM Narendra Modi. Option B CP Radhakrishnan. Option C President Draupadi Murmu. Option D Home Minister Amit Shah. Correct answer President Draupadi Murmu. Which RBI related institution signed an updated MoU with the European Central Bank in 2026? Option A SEBI. Option B RBI. Option C NABARD. Option D SIDBI. Correct answer RBI. Question 9. Which organization appointed Dr. R. Balasubramaniam as a full-time member in 2026? Option A RBI. Option B Niti Aayog. Option C UPSC. Option D SEBI. Correct answer Niti Aayog. Who won the Whitley Award 2026 for Indian Skimmer Conservation? Option A Provin Sheikh. Option B Barkha Subha. Option C Vandana Shiva. Option D Sunita Narin. Correct answer Provin Sheikh. Barkha Subha was recognized for conservation for which species? Option A Indian skimmer. Option B Himalayan salamander. Option C snow leopard. Option D red panda. Correct answer Himalayan salamander. Major Abhilasha Barkha received recognized for which organization? Option A WHO. Option B UNESCO. Option C United Nations. Option D NATO. Correct answer United Nations. Which Indian sports person was named BBC Indian Sports Woman of the Year 2025? Option A PV Sindhu. Option B Sriti Mandana. Option C Manu Bhaker. Option D Harmanpreet Kaur. Correct answer Sriti Mandana. Which country was the source of the AI robot monk Gavi mentioned in 2026? Option A Japan. Option B China. Option C South Korea. Option D Singapore. Correct answer South Korea. The first PM Metro Park was inaugurated and option A Warangal. Option B Surat. Option C Indore. Option D Jaipur. Correct answer Warangal. The Kimberley Process International Meeting 2026 was held in option A Delhi. Option B Mumbai. Option C Hyderabad. Option D Bengaluru. Correct answer Mumbai. Which state launched the Meri Shakhi Yojana? in 2026? Option A Punjab, option B Haryana, option C Rajasthan, option D Gujarat. Correct answer Punjab. AI enable monsoon forecasting for launch by option A ISRO, option B IMD, option C DRDO, option D Niti Aayog. Correct answer IMD. India extended its sugar export ban until option A 31st July 2026, option B 31st August 2026, option C 30 September 2026, option D 31st December 2026. Correct answer 30 September 2026. Which country received the first export consignment of Baksha honey from Assam? Option A UK, option B USA, option C Japan, option D Germany. Correct answer USA. Which football club won the 95th La Liga title? Option A Real Madrid, option B Atlético Madrid, option C Barcelona, option D Sevilla. Correct answer Barcelona. In June 2026, I4C launched which two portal of combat cybercrime? Option A GRM and MRM, option B DigiLocker and Umang, option C CRAT and CyberSafe, option D Aadhaar and PAN. Correct answer GRM and MRM. I4C function under which ministry? Option A Ministry of Defense, option B Ministry of Electronics and IT, option C Ministry of Home Affairs, option D Ministry of Finance. Correct answer Ministry of Home Affairs. What does I4C stand for? Option A Indian Intelligence for Cyber Control, option B Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center, option C Indian Cyber Control Commission, option D International Cyber Crime Center. Correct answer Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center. Who launched the AI-based smart warehousing system for food grain storage? Option A Prahlad Joshi, option B Amit Shah, option C Piyush Goyal, option D Ashwini Vaishnav. Correct answer Prahlad Joshi. The smart housing system is related primarily to option A coal storage, option B food grain storage, option C petroleum storage, option D defense equipment. Correct answer food grain storage. What was the approximate value of the Delhi NCR old vehicle replacement scheme approved by the Union Cabinet? Option A 5,000 crore, option B 7,500 crore, option C 9,585 crore, option D 15,000 crore. Correct answer 9,585 crore. The Delhi NCR vehicle replacement scheme mainly aimed to option A increase road tolls, option B reduce air pollution, option C promote tourism, option D increase diesel consumption. Correct answer reduce air pollution. Which country was involved in India's BRICS chairship activities in 2026? Option A India, option B Canada, option C Australia, option D Mexico. Correct answer India. Where did India host the BRICS NSA meeting in 2026? Option A Mumbai, option B Bengaluru, option C New Delhi, option D Chennai. Correct answer New Delhi. Who was sworn in as the 24th Chief Minister of Karnataka in 2026? Option A Siddharamai, option B DK Shivkumar, option C Basavaraj Bomai, option D BY Vijayendra. Correct answer DK Shivkumar. Which act framework replaced Manrega according to 2026 reports? Option A PM Kishan Act, option B BVG Ramji Act, option C PMake Act, option D Bharat Rozgar Act. Correct answer VBG Ramji Act. Who was reappointed chairman of CBDT from 2026? Option A Nitin Gupta, option B Robi Agarwal, option C Sanjay Kumar, option D Tushar Mehta. Correct answer Robi Agarwal. The E-Zone fire system was introduced primarily for option A road accident, option B property disputes, option C cybercrime cases, option D tax evasion. Correct answer cybercrime cases. Who becomes the 51st Vice Chief of Air Staff in July 2026? Option A Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit, option B Air Marshal Nagesh Kapoor, option C Air Marshal AP Singh, option D Air Marshal Vivek Ram Choudhury. Correct answer Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit. Who took additional charge as CMD of IRD? Who took additional charge as CMD of IRDA in 2026? Option A Pradeep Kumar Das, option B Vijay Kumar Mohanty, option C Sanjay Malhotra, option D Alok Kumar. Correct answer Vijay Kumar Mohanty. RRB IRDA is primarily associated with option A renewable energy financing, option B railway construction, option C defense production, option D insurance. Correct answer renewable energy financing. Who was appointed CEO of Niti Aayog in 2026? Option A BVR Subramaniam, option B Anurag Jain, option C Amitabh Kant, option D Rajiv Gaurba. Correct answer Anurag Jain. Who became the interim president of FID in 2026? Option A Vishwanath Anand, option B Magnus Carlsen, option C Gary Kasparov, option D Hikaru Nakamura. Correct answer Vishwanathan Anand. Leander Pease was appointed player ambassador of which organization? Option A FIFA, option B Asian Tennis Federation, option C ICC, option D BWF. Correct answer Asian Tennis Federation. Who was appointed director of NCRB? Option A Amitabh Garg, option B Alok Kumar Mittal, option C Robi Agarwal, option C Anurag Jain. Correct answer Amit Garg. Who was appointed Director General of BPR&D in 2026? Option A Alok Kumar Mittal, option B Amit Garg, option C Sujit Pandey, option D Satya Pal Kumar. Correct answer Alok Kumar Mittal. Which Indian bank appointed Rajiv Kumar as part-time chairman in 2026? Option A SBI, option B HDFC Bank, option C ICICI Bank, option D Axis Bank. Correct answer HDFC Bank. Which organization appointed Ashish Kumar Das as CEO designated? Option A TCS, option B Infosys, option C Wipro, option D ACL Tech. Correct answer Infosys. Which ministry portfolio did Prahlad Joshi take additional charge in 2026? Option A Home Affairs, option B Education, option C Defense, option D Finance. Correct answer Education. Who became the first woman Director General of the Geological Survey of India GSI? Option A Barsha Ashok Agalwe, option B Nidhi Khare, option C Soma Mandal, option D Ritu Kumar. Correct answer Barsha Ashok Alkave. GSI function under which ministry? Option A Ministry of Art Science, option B Ministry of Mines, option C Ministry of Environment. Correct answer Ministry of Mines. Which was the second indigenous diving support vessel delivered to the Indian Navy? Option A Nistar, option B Nipun, option C Vikrant, option D Shakti. Correct answer Nipun. Which country topped the Environmental Performance Index EPA 2026? Option A Denmark, option B Finland, option C Estonia, option D Sweden. Correct answer Estonia. India improved its position from 82 to which rank in the global reform ranking mentioned in 2026? Option A 49th, option B 57, option C 63rd, option D 72. Correct answer 57th. Thank you so much friend watching this video. Quickly like, comment and share it with your friend and family and subscribe my channel and enter key. Do not forget to click bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.